Alright, in a previous video I did a room occupant schedule using a couple of calculated values to figure out what the occupant load for the room was. But then if you want to tag your rooms or add that amount to your room label, it's not possible because you can't have calculated values as a shared parameter. So you have a couple of options if you want to add your occupant load to your room label or use it as a tag. You can download, there is a Egan BIM that does room area totals, and this app is on the Autodesk app site, and you can get that, and that actually accesses the API and with some programming and allows that additional functionality. There's a 30-day free trial, and there's some information and tutorials out there on that if you would like to try that. What I'm going to do is, if I just Control Tab to this new file, we're going to create two shared parameters, an occupancy type and an occupancy load, and we are going to use Dynamo to access these parameters and do the calculations for us and then load that back into the project. So basically we're going to write a little script to do this for us. Okay, so if I open up the Dynamo definition that's going to do this, we'll go through this. The first version that I'm going to show you takes quite a bit from arcalab.net and Conrad Sobon. I believe I'm pronouncing that correctly, and the package is Grimshaw that does this, get rooms by level. He also has a quick video that runs through this particular setup, but I'm just going to do it in a little bit more detail and with a little bit different setup. So that's what we're going to do, is we're going to go in and look at that, and then at the very end, in the last installment, we might take a look at Nate Miller's room and the lunchbox to gather some additional information. Okay, so that's basically the intro to what we're going to do, and then in the next video we'll create the shared parameter and we'll fire up Dynamo and start going through this definition and see how it works. Alright.